mysterious figure called Coffee Man. Wherever he went, he left behind exceptional coffee with no trace. No one had ever seen Coffee Man, but every time he appeared, he left some coffee, a message, and a mysterious symbol. Coffee nerd Dr. G collected every clue available to find out who Coffee Man is and his secrets. At the cafe, at home, camping, from Coffee Man's traces, he can make over 60 cups of coffee in a very short time. You can use it with a stand at home, even replace a traditional electric grinding wheel. Its portable design allows you to take it anywhere and use it in every scenario without limitations. This is the story of how MILLAB E01 came to be, a professional coffee grinder designed for various settings.
In the first light of dawn, a ritual unfolds. The pursuit of the perfect cup of coffee, the enveloping warmth, the silent promise of a day reborn. Central to this ritual, the Goudveer F1, more than a grinder, it's an experience. experience luxury in every grind.
Hi, Luca here, the lead designer at Gevi. Today I bring to you our latest variable speed stepless coffee grinder, GrindMaster. You'll notice its distinctive look at once. The unique design is inspired by the Parthenon. However, GrindMaster isn't only just about looks. Its grinding performance is equally powerful. It offers a stepless design and has been engineered to adapt to a variety of SSP burrs. It offers you incredible flexibility with its burr options, catering to all your grinding needs. With its stepless design, it can produce grounds with an extensive size variety, going from extremely fine to coarse particles.
Well, that's certainly impressive. The real question is, how does the taste of the ground coffee measure up?
Absolutely. Let me show you what it has. Rotation speed is crucial to the flavor it creates. With its variable speed design, it can bestow distinct flavors. We have confidence in its grinding quality with its pre-breaker, high-quality burrs, brushless motor, and ionizer. Beans are initially crushed by a pre-breaker upon entering it. Titanium-coated flat burrs ensure evener grind, longer life, and less heat. A 400-watt brushless motor prevents bean jamming. The vertical design effectively minimizes residue on the burrs. With plasma anti-static technology, manual residue cleaning becomes a thing of the past. Say goodbye to clumps and say hi to smooth grind release.
This is truly fascinating. With the same type of beans, you can really get various flavors.
The GrindMaster can also produce incredibly delicious espressos. They've made their choice. What about you?
Tired of paying too much for your coffee pods and they don't even taste that good? Introducing PODMKR. PODMKR grinds fresh coffee beans and refills reusable stainless steel coffee pods with just one button. Never buy overpriced and wasteful coffee pods again and save hundreds of dollars. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Just fill fresh beans into the PODMKR, insert the reusable coffee pod, and then just press the button. PODMKR fills the pod automatically with your desired amount of freshly ground coffee, and you can now use it as any other pod in your coffee maker. Enjoy the freshest coffee possible every time. Works with Keurig, Nespresso, and Nespresso Virtuo.